Yes, determine the slope using 2 points. You have point A, 1, 2, that's the first x value and the first y value. You have point B, that's the second x value and the second y value. The slope through these 2 points is described by m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, so the ratio of the difference in the y values to the difference in the x values. We substitute and get y2, 14 minus y1, which is 2 over x2, which is 5, and x1, which is 1. We have 12 on top and 4 on the bottom and get 3 as the slope. First introduced in the topic of linear functions, if you need to set up a function that passes through these 2 points. And if I now draw more or less a line through them, then for example, you need the slope of this function. And then when you probably talk about differentiating, taking derivatives for the first time in high school, then it's about having functions that have a curved graph. And in the first step, before you get to the slope or derivative at a point, yes, you pick 2 points. And through these 2 points, you determine the slope of the secant in order to later arrive at the slope of the tangent. Yes, I've covered all of that in individual videos. I'll link that again accordingly, depending on where you are right now, whether you're working on linear functions or moving from secant to tangent slopes to get to the topic of differentiation. And then it's once again math, know the vocab, and you're in the clear. Thank you.